In the heart of the ancient world, where the earth was rich and the sky seemed within reach, a bold dream was born. One people, one language, one ambition. To build a tower that would touch the heavens themselves. But what began as unity would soon become confusion, and a lesson for all generations. In the days after the Great Flood, all the earth spoke one language and shared one voice. Humanity walked as one family, united in thought, in word, and in ambition. A caravan of hundreds moves together. Farmers, craftsmen, women, and children. Oxen pull carts loaded with supplies. Young men carry spears, not for war, but for protection from wild beasts. Nimrod stood tall and commanding, his gaze sharp and unyielding, cutting through the crowd like a blade.
Here, in the valley of Shinar, the earth is rich and the land is level. We will build our home here, and something greater still.
Murmurs ripple through the people, and the people said to one another,
"Come, let us make bricks and bake them thoroughly."
A campfire flickers. Nimrod sits with the elders and younger men.
Men of Shinar, we are one people. Let us build a city with a tower that reaches the heavens. Let us make a name for ourselves, so we will not be scattered across the face of the earth.
One of the elder asked.
A tower to heaven? Nimrod, why?
Nimrod answered.
Because together there is nothing we cannot do. If we stand united, even the heavens will bow to us.
The men nod, some reluctantly, others with fiery ambition. The construction begins. Workers mold clay into bricks. Women carry baskets of straw. Kilns roar with fire. Sweat drips from brows. The foundation rises. They had brick for stone and tar for mortar. And the city began to grow, and the tower rose like a mountain of human pride. Men pulling ropes to hoist bricks. Scaffoldings creaking as they climb higher and higher. Children running through the streets, pointing at the massive structure. The tower now towering above the clouds, casting a shadow over the plains. Nimrod looking at the peak, his pride swelling.
We are as the gods now.
Behold, the people are one, and they all have one language. Now nothing they plan will be impossible for them. Come, let us go down and confuse their speech, so they will not understand one another.
A rush of heavenly wind descends toward the earth. A worker calls to another for more bricks.
Bring me the bricks!
The other frowning.
¿Qué dices? What? What are you saying?
Across the site, chaos breaks out. Some speak in strange tongues, others in completely new dialects. No one understands each other, and so the Lord confused their speech, and they could no longer understand one another. Groups split off in all directions, north, south, east, and west. The once busy city now eerily silent, the great tower abandoned halfway to the heavens. Thus the Lord scattered them over the face of all the earth, and the tower was left in ruins, a monument to man's pride. The Tower of Babel was never about stone and mortar, but about the heart of man. Unity is a gift, but when it is used for self-glory instead of God's purpose, it becomes the seed of destruction. True greatness is not in reaching the heavens by our own strength, but in walking humbly with the one who made them. If you've enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Stories of Grace, where timeless tales of faith and wisdom come alive.